Which cabbage is the healthiest? Green, red, Savoy, or Napa? First up, green cabbage, the classic one. It's high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Then red cabbage, deep purple and rich in anthocyanins, which gives red cabbage its color and helps protect your heart, brain, and eyes, while also fighting inflammation. This one has the highest antioxidant levels of all cabbages. Next, Savoy cabbage, with its crinkly leaves, it's softer, easier to digest, and slightly higher in vitamin A than green cabbage. Finally, Napa cabbage, light, crisp, and full of folate and vitamin C, though it's a bit lower in fiber and antioxidants compared to red cabbage. If you want vitamin C, red cabbage wins. Vitamin K? Green and red cabbages win. Folate? Napa cabbage. Vitamin A? Savoy cabbage. If you want the best all-round vitamin and antioxidant profile, red cabbage ranks highest.